Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy Plus for August 2020. I'm sure you noticed that the Ipsy Plus has changed a little bit. So in previous months, in every other previous month, this has come in a box, but they have changed to shipping it into this bubble mailer like this. The regular glam bag right here, this is $12 a month. In here we should have 5 sample size products catered to our beauty profile. In the Glam Bag Plus, this is $25 a month. We should have 5 full-size products catered to our beauty profile. My profiles are, the regular Glam Bag is like an adventurous profile, different age, different eye color, different hair color, just a totally different person that's not me. So that's this bag. And then the Glam Bag Plus, this is my actual normal profile, so more neutral makeup, comfortable with makeup, correct age, eye color, hair color, all that stuff. So this is my normal profile, this is a different profile, and it's just kind of fun to see whether, number one, the profile matters, and what the difference is between the two bags. I should mention too, also with Ipsy, you do get to pick one item to be in your bag every month. I don't normally pick, so I never get to pick anything. I'm real bad about it. I don't know, guys. Every once in a while I'll make that deadline, but nope, didn't pick anything for this. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty-free while I'm filming, I will put that on the screen right here so we're getting all the information that we need, as well as researching the values of everything. So it used to come with a card with like the full-size value, but it doesn't anymore, so I will do all the research and that'll be on the screen if you care, and then I will add it all up at the end to see whether we're getting a good deal or not. So if you care about that, make sure that you're looking at the screen. You are watching a YouTube video. Alright, let's just go ahead and get into it. First, we will start with the regular Glam Bag. Okay, so the bag this month looks just like this. It's like this iridescent, maybe hollow sort of bag. I don't really care for the bags that much. I don't use them. Every once in a while I'll get like a really cute one that I keep and I use. But typically not the biggest fan of the bags. I wish they would just stop the bags. I mean, if you get this a lot, it becomes kind of repetitive to get the bags all the time, if you know what I mean. Inside the bag, we're going to have this little card right here. It's going to have the theme for the month, which is "The future is yours." So there's that. Okay, let's just go ahead and get into the product. So on the outside of the bag, I did have this little brush right here. This is actually really cute. I don't really need any brushes, but I'm kind of into this one. This is from LaRousse. I don't know how you say that. LaRousse? Not sure. I'm really more drawn to the handle than I am the actual brush. I'm not sure if it's going to pick up. So you can see it's kind of like almost studded looking. This is the actual like bristles. Just like a shader brush, I guess. So yeah, this is the LR119 shadow brush. So there's that. Really cute. Love the handle on that. Feels fairly soft too. Somebody must be outside if you can hear my dogs barking. Okay, so let's just get into the inside of the bag. The first thing I'm going to pull out is from Murad, which is cruelty-free. This is the Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. There's the packaging. I have tried a number of things from this brand, from their sunscreen to their moisturizer, all sorts of stuff. I really actually like this brand a lot. I think it's just a nice brand. Every product I've tried from them I really like. So I don't really deal with acne, so I don't know. I might just pass this on to somebody else. It does have like 1.5% salicylic acid, which I believe is drying, and I already have dry skin, so probably won't be using this, but not mad to get it. Like, pretty good. Alright, moving right along, let's see. The next thing I'm going to pull out is from H2O Plus Hydration Oasis. Never heard of this brand, so I don't know if they're cruelty-free, but this is a moisturizer, it looks like. So yeah, refreshing gel moisturizer. So we'll go ahead and squirt it out to see what kind of moisturizer ooh, it is a gel. Okay, I mean, I know it said it was a gel, but it's like actually a gel. So there it is on my hand. Let's rub it in and see what it feels like. It doesn't smell like really, I mean, I guess it does smell like something, but it's not like super strong, like super perfumed. It feels nice, like a little bit watery, but I don't know, that feels good. I definitely will use that up if it is cruelty-free. That's what I like about the little samples is that like I can use them all, and I can feel good about it. Sometimes when I get so much full-size stuff, it's like, oh my god, I'm never going to get through that. Okay, moving right along. Let's pull out this thing. This is from Pure Brazilian, which is cruelty-free. This is a leave-in conditioner. So yeah, there's that. I tried a couple hair things from them. Very lightly scented, not too bad. I do enjoy leave-in conditioners, especially the kinds that like you spray in like that. I use them almost every time I wash my hair. So obviously I have bleach in my hair, it's very drying, so I do enjoy a leave-in conditioner. And you think this is a lot, but I can get through this pretty quick. So definitely will be using that. Okay, so we have one last item, and I believe this is our only makeup product in here. Okay, so this is from Araceli Beauty. Never heard of that brand, but it does say it's cruelty-free right on the back. This is the Jalisco Eyes. Okay, so there it is. It's just like a champagne sort of colored eyeshadow. Typically not the biggest fan of singles. I just don't reach for them. But let's go ahead and swatch it. I have like a million colors like this, but we'll go ahead and give it a swatch. There is on my finger. It's like a champagne sort of color. It's pulling a little more gold on camera, but it is like champagne. Go ahead and do a swatch. So very pretty. I definitely like that color. I probably won't use it though, if I'm being honest. Like I said, I just don't reach for eyeshadow singles. But maybe I'll use it a couple times, but if I'm being honest, I probably won't use this. But it does feel nice. It feels nice and creamy. Shimmers typically are pretty good about being creamy, so got that. Okay, so that's everything for this bag. Does it fit the profile? Not really. The one makeup product we have, not very adventurous, pretty good for my boring, you know, neutral makeup self, but everything else was like skin or hair, and just really wasn't a good bag for that profile. I think I'm most excited about the brush that I don't need because I have a million brushes like this, but it's cute. Okay, so now that we got the Glam bag out of the way, let's move on to the Glam Bag Plus. They have changed it. You no longer get like the little bag like this. It comes in this little drawstring bag, which I'm actually sort of excited about. Like I said, since I get both of these, I get like 2 of the same bag every month. One's just a little bit bigger than the other. I don't typically use them. I don't know if I'm really going to use this either, but I feel like I could find uses for this. Maybe? Okay, so let's see. Got the card right here. Again, same theme, obviously. Okay, so let's just go ahead and pull out the first thing I'm seeing. Okay, so this is from Beauty for Real, which I don't think I've ever tried anything from. I could be wrong, but it does not sound familiar. Let's see, these are shadow sticks. So I have the 24/7 eyeshadow. And there's no colors listed. So yeah, I have like a champagne one right here, and then this one's like a gold one. Kind of cool. Let's go ahead and open one of them up. I don't think I'm going to use the champagne one, so I'll maybe save that for a giveaway, but let's go ahead and see this one. Oh, okay, so it's like a pointed tip. I just wasn't expecting that. We'll go ahead and do a quick swatch. Interesting. It's like almost the same color as the other one, just a tad bit darker. Like I said, I don't typically reach for these, but it might be good for like a day where I'm just like today where I'm wearing like no eye makeup, just to like put a little bit of this on my lid. I will probably use that since it's now been on my hand, but you know, not the best thing for me personally. Okay, let's pull out this next thing. This is from Ciate London, which is cruelty free. This is the Watermelon Burst Setting Powder. Packaging really cute. I have tried something from this line before. I think I also got an Ipsy. It was the Watermelon Burst Primer, and I really liked it. It was like, it smelled like fake watermelon, which, like I said before, I'm not the hugest fan of. But for some reason, I really liked that. Let's see what this looks like. So it's kind of cute. I don't know if you can see that. See the little dots in there, like little watermelon seeds? It does smell like watermelon. Like very, very faintly. Like not overpowering. But I smell it. Okay, so it is just a setting powder. There it is. I personally like a setting powder that is more pressed. The loose ones are just not the biggest fan of. I will use them. I have been using them, but I typically prefer this compact style. So got that. Okay, moving right along to the next item. This is from Llama Squaw, which I'm fairly certain is cruelty-free. This is a loaded lip polish. There's the packaging. Okay, so yeah, it's just a clear lip gloss. I don't know why I'm putting my hand behind this. It's just clear. It has no scent to it. Not the biggest fan of glossy lips, but let's go ahead and see how it feels on my skin. So it is like a little bit sticky, like a gloss, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but I'm not like opposed to it. Like I'm growing more to like it, but typically not something I would reach for. But I guess it'd be nice if you like want a little bit more shine. So there's that. Alrighty, the next thing I'm pulling out is from Huda Beauty, which is cruelty-free. This is the Demi Matte Cream Lipstick, and mine's in the shade Boy Collector. I'm not a fan of that name, but there's that. Packaging really nice on this. I wonder if this is like one of the, yeah, so these are the matte ones. I have a couple, I think I have like 2 shades of this. The applicator is kind of nice. I like it. It's got like this little, it's a doe foot, but it's like a little bit different than most. Go ahead and do a swatch for you. That's a nice red. I like that. Okay, so there is, it's very red. It's like a little bit of like an orangey red, but I like it. I like those kind of colors, you know, for winter and stuff. So there's that. Excited to get that. All right, we have one last item. And this is the thing I'm most excited about. This was a leaked spoiler from actually a YouTuber that I watch. So this is the Venice Fling Berry Salian by Estate eyeshadow palette. If you don't know who Bailey Sarian is, she is like one of my favorite YouTubers. If you're into true crime like me, which that's pretty much all I watch on YouTube is true crime. I don't watch like a ton of makeup, but true crime is like what I'm into. And she does her makeup while telling a true crime story. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds. She doesn't really talk about the makeup, but you can see like she's really, really talented. So I'm excited to try this palette because I love her. She's so funny. I love her. So here it is. Very big pans, like huge. We'll go ahead and swatch a couple of these shades. We'll do like a couple shimmers. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmers and 4 mattes. So pretty good. They do feel like a little dry, like powdery, but at least the mattes do. Here they are on my hand. I mean, typically I would not be drawn to this palette. It's really not up my alley, but like I love her, so like I want to try it. There we go. So as usual, like the mattes just don't swatch well. Like that's just how mattes are in my experience. The shimmers do seem pretty nice. A little powdery, but not the worst thing. Like that black is pretty good. It's like a blackish brown almost. So yeah, definitely want to play with that some more just because I love Bailey so much. But yeah, that's everything I got in these bags. Let's see. I think they should be swapped, honestly. The things I got in the plus feel like more adventurous, more cut out for like my adventurous profile, and the things I got in the regular glam bag seem more neutral, so more for like my normal profile. But overall, I'm happy with both of them. I do think, this doesn't happen very often, but I think the plus was better than the regular glam bag this month. For me personally, it was just very makeup heavy. I think it was all makeup. Yeah, all makeup, so pretty good. Anyways, I would love to know your thoughts down below, so make sure you let me know what you got in your glam bag if you get the subscription and what you thought of mine. Leave them right down there. If you guys like these videos, if you want to see more unboxings, all that good stuff, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right down there. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I don't know why I said those backwards. That's not the way I normally say that, but that's how I said it today. Anyways, I will see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.